Hello everyone, so here's IRS2GO app. It's an official app from Internal Revenue Service, and it's super easy to use. It doesn't need that much explanation. It's kind of self-explanatory, but just to show you what you can expect, it's kind of like a organization of some tax tools just on your fingertips, so it makes it easier instead of going to the website and going through the countless complicated forms. You can see some cool features here. So for example, you can just check your refund status, make a payment, find free tax preparation assistance, sign up for helpful tax tips, then just have some security code generated for your more secure online communications with them. That's basically the idea. I think it's just like the first versions of this app, and they will be hopefully adding more features here. So here, for example, on the first screen, you just see refund status, and then you can just check your refund status by entering your information. So for example, you can just enter the years. It's only possible to check it for latest 3 years, as I understand. Then you just enter your SSN, check out your filing status, check out like what's the refund amount you interested in, and then just tap get status. So you can easily do it from the app. Then here you can also do payments. If you're an individual taxpayer, IRS Direct Pay you offers a free secure payment method. So then you will still be redirected to their website, and then you can just see that, and then select type, tax period, and then tap continue, and then tap continue, whatever, and then just verify identity, have all of that, continue, and then just follow the instructions, and you can do the payment. Yes, still it's a bit inconvenient that you need to do it on the website, but anyhow. And then you can also just pay by card. IRS offers a choice of 3 payment processors to make secure credit debit card payments. Choose an approved payment processor from the list below. Here you can just do that. So you can always just visit their websites and just get more information. Here you can also chat in the bottom. Then there is free tax help. That's another feature of this app, that you can locate like either some tax help or some tools which are available from IRS, like IRS Free File. You can also find a volunteer income tax assistance or tax counseling. You can which offers free tax help to people who make $60,000 or less, have disabilities, or speak limited English. You can also find tax aid site locators, where you can just search for people near you who can volunteer to help you out with some tax matters. Then there is connect option, where you can find some online tools, like you can find some phone numbers, you can find some local offices of IRS. For tax assistance for the deaf and hard of hearing, there is a special phone number. And then there is like a security tab. This feature provides an extra layer of security for users of certain IRS online services. So you can just generate that here to have additional layer of security with online communications with IRS. So that's basically that. That's the app. You can't kind of log in here with your account or do anything more advanced. This is just like a knowledge collection, like some feature organizer app. It's very basic, kind of self-explanatory, but just wanted to bring your attention here. But even if with these super limited features, sometimes it's just more convenient instead of going to IRS official website, which can be pretty complicated. There are so many things, there are so many menus, and it's just overwhelming. Here, at least, it seems a bit more simple. And this app sometimes during tax period is in the top 100 apps in the US. So yeah, try it out.